Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. This works on both models. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then let go. If you guys need any further assistance, don't be afraid to reach out to me on Instagram. Always willing to answer anyone. And there you guys go, you can let go. Also, drop a subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit a goal of hitting 100K. I'd appreciate it. And there you guys go. Your iPhone 8 Plus has been force resetted.